Hello friends, welcome to GSR ChemTube channel. Here we are going to discuss about atomic structure chapter. From this, the properties of atoms, we are going to discuss the fundamental properties of atoms. The primary building blocks of atoms are, as you know, electrons, protons and neutrons. The number of electrons in the outermost shell of an atom gives its valency. Similarly, the number of protons and neutrons are associated with the atomic number and the mass number of that atom. First, let us see what is this atomic number. The total number of protons in the nucleus of an atom gives the atomic number of that atom. It is represented with the symbol Z. All the atoms of a particular element have the same number of protons and hence same atomic number. Atoms of different elements have different atomic numbers because they will be having different number of protons in their nuclei. For example, carbon atoms have atomic number 6, whereas atoms of oxygen have atomic number 8 as they have 8 protons in their nuclei. So both are differed in the number of protons, hence the atomic numbers are being varied for these. It has 6 atomic number, whereas oxygen has atomic number 8 as the number of protons are different for them. Next, mass number. The number of protons and neutrons combined to give the mass number of an atom. So, number of protons plus neutrons gives total mass number of that element or atom. It is represented with the letter A. As both protons and neutrons are present in the nucleus, they are also called as nucleons. So, the number of nucleons of an atom is also called as its mass number. For example, an atom of carbon has 6 protons and 6 neutrons. Thus, the mass number of that carbon is 12. Notation of an atom. To write the notation of an atom, we need to know the symbol of that element, atomic number and the mass number. So in this way, if we know the symbol, atomic number and mass number, we can give notation for that atom. First, we write the symbol of the element and the mass number of the element is written at the above left side and the atomic number is written at the base or subscript place. In this way, this is called the notation of an element or atom. For example, the notation of carbon can be written like this. So here C represents carbon as it is a symbol of carbon, and 12 is mass number of carbon which is written left top side, and in the bottom it is written its atomic number 6. Isotopes. The atoms of same element having same atomic number but different mass numbers are called as isotopes. Means they'll be having same number of protons but the total number of nucleons will be different because of number of neutrons variation. For example, hydrogen has 3 isotopes, namely protium, deuterium and tritium. These 3 are having same atomic number 1, but mass number is being different for these 3. If you see here, it is a protium. It has only 1 proton, so total mass number will be for this 1. Whereas second one, deuterium, it has only 1 proton, so atomic number is 1 for this also, but mass number is 2 because it has 1 proton and 1 neutron. Whereas for the third one, tritium, its atomic number is also 1 as it is having only 1 proton, but mass number is 3 because it has 2 neutrons in the nucleus along with that proton. Total it becomes 3. So these 3 are varied in the number of neutrons, hence in the mass number. So the atoms with the same atomic number but a different mass numbers are called isotopes. Next, isobars. Atoms of different elements with different atomic numbers which have the same mass number are known as isobars. For example, argon and calcium are isobars. You observe atoms of argon and calcium are given here. Both are having different atomic numbers because both have different number of protons in them. Argon atomic number is 18, whereas for calcium the atomic number is 20. But finally the mass numbers are being same for these two as 40. So such kind of atoms with the same number of nucleons, or the atoms with the different atomic numbers but same mass numbers, are called as isobars. You can see here it is mentioned atomic number of argon is 18, whereas for calcium it is 20, but the mass numbers of both argon and calcium are 40 each. Hence these are isobars. Isotones. Atoms of different elements having same number of neutrons but different mass numbers are called as isotones. For example, silicon, phosphorus 31, sulfur 32. These three, if you observe, these three are having same number of neutrons in them, that is 16, but their atomic numbers as well as mass numbers are entirely different from one to other. But only the thing in common them is neutrons. In such a way, the atoms with the same number of neutrons are called as isotones. So now this silicon 30, phosphorus 31 and sulfur 32 are isotones. One more example is given here. Suppose two elements X and Y are present here. Their atomic numbers are different. One X is having atomic number 78, whereas Y is having atomic number 74. Whereas for mass number of X is given as 131 and for Y it is given as 127. Mass number, atomic number are both different for these X and Y. But one thing is common, that is number of neutrons. Number of neutrons in X is 53, whereas for Y also it is 53. So this X and Y we can call as now isotones. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for receiving latest updates.